What is up, YouTube? This unboxing of the Nike FuelBand SE. They were released today, and I pre-ordered mine on Nike.com. And let's open it. Yeah, got it ready because I was gonna have a hard time doing it with one hand, so kind of did it easy for y'all. I came in with UPS. Oh, came in bubble wrapped, huh? I guess this is the receipt, I guess. And came in bubble wrap, as you can see. I have the original one that first came out, and when Nike officially announced this, I fell in love with this color. Took, I think, 3 business days to get here, and it's a different look. I mean, the boxing is different now. I think it's a sticker, and this is one of these slide outs. Hold on. There you go. Sorry about that. Wow. That looks pretty cool. The green on this, electric green or volt green, looks amazing, yo. I mean, the feel of it is the same, but I'm just loving that green. And I'm guessing this is where stuff's alright, the charger. Yeah, it's the charger. I'm guessing these are the if this don't fit in one of those extension things that you can put on. And here's the booklet. All in all, I'm very satisfied with what Nike made. I mean, I'm loving the color. I mean, you can wear this as, as